Understanding, Restore Peace, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically the phrase, restore peace. This video will help you understand its meaning, usage, and context in everyday English. Let's get started. Restore peace is a phrase that combines two words, restore and peace. To restore something means to bring it back to its original state. Peace refers to a state of tranquility or quietness, free from disturbance or conflict. Therefore, restore peace means to return a situation or place to a state of calm and order after it has been disturbed or chaotic. Let's look at some examples to understand how restore peace is used. 1. After a conflict, the United Nations played a crucial role in restoring peace to the war-torn region. 2. In personal relationships, after a heated argument, both friends worked together to restore peace in their friendship. 3. In society, the government introduced new policies to restore peace in the cities affected by the protests. These examples show that restore peace can be used in various contexts, from international relations to personal matters. It's important not to confuse restore peace with simply keeping peace or creating peace. While all these phrases involve peace, restore peace specifically implies returning to a peaceful state after a period of disturbance or conflict. English is rich with idiomatic expressions. Similar phrases to restore peace include make peace, bring back calm, and re-establish harmony. These phrases can often be used interchangeably, but remember to consider the context. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of restore peace. This phrase is a beautiful example of how English can concisely capture complex concepts. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using phrases like this naturally in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!